While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southwestern McClain County in central Oklahoma, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cole, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southeastern Norman, Newcastle, Blanchard, Purcell, Noble, Slaughterville, Lexington, Goldsby, Diggle, Wayne, Washington, Cole, Etowah, and Rosedale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.